3, 2, 1. We good?
Yeah.
Is your son?
No.
Hi guys.
Oh, okay, go.
Weird.
Hi guys, I've got an itch. I'm here today to not mess this up.
Oh yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I've completely lost what I'm saying.
Recorded.
Put it down lower. Okay.
Come on, Louis.
Hold on, let me at least put my tea down.
We work with local schools.
Smile, please.
Smile. That's right. Hi, my name is Liam and I'm the lead coach of the under-10s.
That's a good start. You can probably
Oh my god. Okay.
One more.
Look at him. Just keeps appearing.
Always a great best. Can I do it again?
Yeah.
Was that good? She wants me to do it again.
It's too much. The foundation has been working across the city to improve nothing.
No. Ready?
Hi.
So when we took Spencer...
You just said stop that.
No way.
Play on. Oh, well done. Oh, go to the corner. Oh, I'm a Sandra Bullock.
Fair back.
Is it academy? Mate. this is going to take a long time. I can't walk and think. Only walk and breathe.
Oh man.
I forgot what I was saying now.
This is so hard. I don't know how players do it.
Oh, where are the lads? Does anybody else have to do this? Don't forget to wear your sun hat, Pip, said Posey. You know what I mean? I've got him laughing at me in the background. I'm trying to put some effort into this for the kids. You know what I mean?
Looking forward to seeing you at soccer schools.